You know that stealing's a crime, don't you, Katya? Well, that is your name, isn't it, Katya Van Dies? My German's not...
Are you some kind of cop?
No,
How do you know my name?
I'm John. John Smith. I'd like to buy you a cup of coffee.
I'm not interested.
How about in living? Are you interested in that?
Walk away or I'll scream.
He won't care. He's here to kill you, Katya. And I'm here to stop him. I know you don't have any reason to trust me, but look at him. Look at how he moves. Look at the shadows under his coat. Look at his eyes and tell me that I'm lying.
Why would anyone want to kill me?
For the same reason you're trying to look for someone you can't find.
The man I'm looking for, do you know where he is?
No, but you do.
What do I have to do?
There's a maintenance door at the north end of the track, one level down. It's been unlocked for us. We're gonna head there now. Go through the corridor up the stairs to the back alley. There'll be a car waiting for us there.
Run!